Good day, my dear students. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to create your hands-on number 1 by following this simple step. Number 1, open new document in Microsoft Word. Number 2, type your full name, year, and section on the first line. Then type my new document in MS Word to the next line. Number 3, save your document with the file name of your grade and section. And then underscore 1Q stands for first quarter, underscore H1 stands for hands-on number 1, and type your given surname. After that, number 4, submit your document in your Google Classroom or to your ICF teacher. So let's get started. So on the search box, I will type the Word 2013 and click open. So as you can see, we are going to choose the blank document. Just click it in your mouse. After that, we are going to type your full name. So this is my sample name, Emeline D. Ortinero. And then my section, for example, 8A. And then on the next line, I will hit the enter key on the keyboard. I will type my new document in MS Word. So it's up to you on if you are going to use a small letter or capital letter. Ikaw bahala. So walang problema dyan. So this is the text that you are going to type in your MS Word. And then we are going to save it on the file menu. So we are going to click Save As. Okay, your document you are going to save it in your computer. So click Computer and then click Browse. And then on the file name, okay, change it by the given file name. So for example, 8A, grade and section or year and section, and then underscore 1Q stands for first quarter, and then H1 stands for hands-on 1, and then my given surname, which is Ortinero. And then save it on your desktop para madaling makita. Okay, choose desktop sa location ng iyong file, and then click save. After that, on the title bar, makikita nyo na nag-iba na yung pangalan ng ating document. Okay, so close na natin and tignan natin ito sa desktop yung ating ginawang document. As you can see, this is the document that we created before. So, number 4 steps, you are going to submit your hands-on number 1 to your Google Classroom or to your ICF teacher. So, this is your hands-on number 1, as simple as that. So, this is the end of our video. Goodbye and God bless.